Hi, it's Nathan here, and I'm talking about section 307 through 315 of the model WHS regulations, and these cover requirements for principal contractors. So principal contractors is the company in charge of a construction project over $250,000. So the requirements are they need to prepare a WHS management plan, and then it has the requirements of what needs to be in a WHS management plan, which are things like the responsibilities of certain parties, how consultation, coordination, and cooperation is going to work on site. So things like safety meetings and SimOps meetings. They need to, sorry, the WHS management plan also needs to have provisions for managing emergencies or incidents and emergencies. Also needs to have site safety rules. Next, it talks about the requirement for principal contractors to collect and review SWIMs. And then it talks about the requirements for the principal contractor to ensure compliance with the general risk management sections of the WHS regulations. So things like PPE, first aid, emergency response plans. I think falling objects and falls is also in there. So it's kind of like your principal contractor is in control of the site, but they're not in control of every task. So sort of the general things on site. So things like, have we got handrails around the place? Have we got drop nets or drop zones? Is the scaffolding set up correctly? So all those general site hazards fall on the principal contractor, not to manage them all individually themselves, but to ensure that they're being complied with. So like if you've got a roofing company up there, you need to ensure they're complying with, protecting their workers from falls. But it's not your job to go in there and install the handrails, although it may be your job if that's your job in the contract. But the principal contractor would often subby that out. So it's kind of everything subbied out, but then the principal contractor needs to ensure compliance with those general risk management sections. And then it gives some more examples on things that the principal contractor is responsible for, basically like site management functions. So things like traffic management, waste collection. There's a couple more examples like sort of site-specific management. I skipped one at the start, signage. Principal contractor needs to have signage identifying them and contact details, and I believe the ABN or address as well. Hope that helps.